I'm Fraser. I'm here to invite you to apply to the Meet Tech Futures event. If you're a student who is interested in agriculture or technology, or you're a teacher that has some of these students, we'd love for you to apply. This is a 2-day program filled with industry tours, research demonstrations, and technology workshops, which means that students get hands-on in industry as well as technology and agriculture. Students will be posed with the question, how can we use technology to innovate in the red meat processing industry? Which means that this is more than just information, this is an experience where students can focus on the real crux of the problems in our red meat processing industry. We'll have students build and deliver pitches, deliver them to an expert panel, and there'll be tons of awards that these students will be able to win. We have very limited spaces, so sign up now and we hope to see you soon.